Hi, I'm Data Girl, and here's my recipe for a classic pasta salad. But before we get started with the ingredients and how to make it, let me tell you a brief history about this delicious side dish. Pasta salad is a dish that has evolved over time and has roots in various culinary traditions. Here's a brief history of pasta salad. Ancient origins. Pasta itself has a long history, originating in ancient China around 2000 BCE and later spreading to other parts of the world, including Italy. In Italy, pasta was traditionally cooked and consumed hot, typically served with various sauces. Pasta in salads. The concept of using pasta in cold salads emerged in the early 20th century. Italians started incorporating pasta into salads as a way to create refreshing dishes during hot summer months. The inclusion of pasta provided a hearty element while still maintaining a light and cooling quality. American adaptation. Pasta salad gained popularity in the United States in the mid 20th century. It became particularly prevalent during the post World War II era, when convenient and make ahead dishes gained popularity. The versatility of pasta salads, which could be customized with different ingredients and dressings, made them appealing for potlucks, picnics, and backyard barbecues. Variations and innovations. Over time, pasta salad recipes have evolved and diversified. Different regions and cultures have put their own spin on the dish, incorporating local ingredients and flavors. Variations include Greek pasta salad with feta cheese and olives, caprese pasta salad with tomatoes and mozzarella, and Asian-inspired pasta salads with sesame dressing. Contemporary trends. In recent years, pasta salad has continued to evolve to meet changing dietary preferences and culinary trends. There has been an increased focus on using whole grain or gluten-free pasta options, incorporating more vegetables, and experimenting with unique dressings and flavor combinations. Today, pasta salad remains a popular and versatile dish, enjoyed as a side dish, light meal, or potluck staple. Its adaptability allows for endless creativity and personalization, making it a beloved and customizable option in the culinary world. Ingredients: 8 ounces pasta, such as rotini, fusilli, or penne, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1 2 cup cucumber, diced 1 2 cup bell peppers, any color, diced 1 4 cup red onion, finely chopped 1 4 cup black olives, sliced 1 4 cup feta cheese, crumbled, optional, 1 4 cup fresh parsley, chopped for the dressing, 1 4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1 clove garlic, minced 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 2 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and rinse under cold water to cool it down. In a large bowl, combine the cooked pasta, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, bell peppers, red onion, black olives, feta cheese, if using, and fresh parsley. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, red wine vinegar, minced garlic, Dijon mustard, dried oregano, salt, and pepper to make the dressing. Pour the dressing over the pasta and vegetables. Toss everything together until well coated with the dressing. Taste the pasta salad and adjust the seasonings if needed. You can add more salt, pepper, or vinegar according to your preference. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or transfer the salad to a sealed container and refrigerate for at least 1 hour to allow the flavors to blend and the salad to chill. Before serving, give the pasta salad a gentle toss to redistribute the dressing. You can garnish it with additional fresh parsley if desired. Serve chilled as a refreshing side dish or a light meal. Feel free to customize your pasta salad by adding other vegetables, such as broccoli, carrots, or corn, and adding grilled chicken or shrimp for added protein. Enjoy!